Welcome to GlideX RV, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, specifications, and features of the latest 2025 product. Today, we are talking about the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, the entry point to Chevy's sports car lineup, but far from basic. This high-value performer comes equipped with a 490 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 engine, mounted behind the cabin. That's enough power to achieve a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds in testing. While there's no manual transmission option, the 8-speed automatic does an excellent job selecting gears, offering quick and precise shifts through steering wheel-mounted paddles. The 2025 Corvette Stingray has earned a 10 Best award for its sheer performance, but its versatility makes it even more appealing. If you opt for the top-tier 3LZ trim, you'll be treated to luxury car features such as a premium Bose sound system, upgraded sports seats, a head-up display, and high-quality Napa leather upholstery. What makes the Corvette even more impressive is that it delivers exotic looks and world-class performance at a fraction of the price of rivals like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren, yet still turns just as many heads on the road. Chevy has introduced two new color options for 2025: Competition Yellow Tint Coat Metallic and Hysteria Purple Metallic. Inside, you now have two new interior color schemes to choose from, one called Habanero, and another that features blue stitching on black upholstery. The Z51 Performance Package now includes a redesigned rear spoiler. And additional customization options like a leather-wrapped steering wheel airbag cover and Velocity yellow brake calipers are also available. Under the hood, the Corvette sticks with the 6.2-liter pushrod V8, generating 490 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. The mid-engine layout remains a defining feature, enhancing balance and handling. As expected, the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint takes just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. Inside, the C8 Corvette continues as a pure two-seater, boasting a futuristic cockpit with premium materials like leather, real metal trim, and imitation suede. A stitched headliner adds a touch of elegance, while the squared-off steering wheel and 12.0-inch digital instrument cluster provide a modern and sporty feel. The infotainment touchscreen is driver-oriented, ensuring easy access to all controls and features. One standout feature is the removable roof panel, which can be taken off by a single person and neatly stored in the rear trunk, just like in previous Corvette models. The starting price for the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is $69,995, with fully loaded variants reaching up to $88,745, depending on trim and optional features. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest reviews, specs, and features of 2025 products, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to GlideX RV. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next one.